Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. Today, we're exploring a front yard garden idea that will inspire your next garden renovation. But first, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips and ideas. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you for sticking with us. The Rustic Charm Gardens. Imagine stepping into a garden that feels like a storybook escape. A place filled with charm, natural beauty, and heartwarming nostalgia. Welcome to the world of rustic garden designs. Today, I'll share simple yet inspiring ideas to help you transform your outdoor space into a rustic retreat. The rustic garden style is all about embracing natural materials, earthy tones, and vintage touches. It's perfect for creating a serene space that feels timeless and inviting. Let's explore some ideas you can incorporate into your own garden renovation. Start with a pathway. Natural stone or gravel paths can add instant rustic charm. Line them with wildflowers, ornamental grasses, or even fragrant herbs like lavender. The irregular shapes and textures create a welcoming, organic feel to your garden. Add character with repurposed decor, like a weathered wooden wheelbarrow, which can be transformed into a stunning planter. Old wooden crates, galvanized buckets, or even antique tools can become charming focal points. These elements bring history and personality to your garden. Create a cozy spot to relax. A simple wooden bench under a tree can become your favorite retreat. Add soft cushions, a small table for your morning coffee, and a lantern for evening ambience. Incorporate wooden structures like arbors, pergolas, or trellises, and let climbing plants like roses or ivy weave through the wood for a natural romantic touch. These features can also create shade and privacy in your garden. Lighting can completely transform your garden's atmosphere. Use rustic lanterns or string lights to add warmth and charm during the evening. Solar-powered options are both eco-friendly and convenient. Rustic gardens thrive on the connection to nature, so consider adding a small pond, a bird bath, or even a simple wooden feeder to invite wildlife into your space. These features create a peaceful environment and bring life to your garden. Rustic gardens celebrate the beauty of imperfection and the charm of simplicity. Whether it's through natural pathways, repurposed decor, or cozy seating areas, this style offers endless ways to make your garden a place of warmth and joy. Which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.